Now, before you start, we will give you a quick introduction to OMPEG, what does stand for and what OMPEG is all about. This member event is on OMPEG's platform today. OMPEG stands for Overseas Maharashtrian Professionals and Entrepreneurs Group. It's a community-based business networking group founded in April 2016 by some leading influencers and entrepreneurs within UK. The idea was to inculcate a spirit of entrepreneurship within the Maharashtrian community, specifically from the UK, to connect professionals and encourage them for entrepreneurship. OMPEG is a membership organization, which means people pay fees here to contribute to the growth initiatives of OMPEG. There are more than 150 fee-paying members, which include a variety of professionals and entrepreneurs. Details regarding how to become an OMPEG member, where you can host events like Pranoti is doing today, they will be posted in the chat window, so you can know about how to join OMPEG. We are very proud to say that 40% of our members are women members who are first-generation entrepreneurs. In last 5 years, OMPEG has organized more than 50 high-value events, including 2 mega business expos attended by more than 2,000 people. The expos were a grand success. Now, of course, during COVID times, we switched to virtual and have been organizing a lot of events throughout the year on virtual platforms. Until now, more than 5,000 people have attended OMPEG events across the UK. In 2019 and 20, OMPEG started collaboration with High Commission of India and many industry bodies, and the idea is to inspire many more Maharashtrians to do more in their professions and their businesses. The goal was to raise the profile of UK-based Maharashtrian business leadership, and we are very proud to say that we have successfully done that. Last year, in the month of August, we launched OMPEG Midlands Chapter to take advantage of this thriving region in and around Midlands. And today's event is hosted in association with OMPEG Midlands Chapter. If you want to know more about OMPEG, please visit www.ompeg.org.uk. If you wish to become an OMPEG member, we'll put the details in the chat window, so please keep an eye. On a personal note, I have been part of OMPEG's founding team from day one. It is an absolute delight to work with enterprising Maharashtrian community for last 5 years. Pranoti Jadhav, today's presenter, is part of this thriving community. Now, we will get the speaker and get the event started. Allow me to introduce today's speaker. Oh, I missed one thing, very important thing. If you want to connect to OMPEG, you can also download OMPEG's own native app, My OMPEG. This is OMPEG's platform for choice. It is free for everyone to connect and engage. Special content privileges are for OMPEG members. So if you want to stay connected to OMPEG and OMPEG's activities, download My OMPEG now. It is available both on iOS and Android platforms. Pranoti, welcome for this masterclass. Before I introduce today's speaker, Pranoti Jadhav, to you, an important note. All OMPEG's member businesses and professionals are independent businesses, independent professionals. OMPEG does not get involved into members' business activities or commercial activities. If you want to connect to OMPEG's members, please connect independently. Now it's my absolute pleasure to introduce Pranoti Patil Jadhav, today's speaker. Pranoti is OMPEG's member from day one. So she's part of the founding member team or chartered member, as we call it. She has contributed over the last 3 years to a number of OMPEG activities. And also she's part of the core volunteering team at OMPEG Midlands Chapter. Pranoti is an owner of an advertising agency called Anigraphics Productions Ltd for last 15 years. This looks after media campaigns for various high-profile clients in the UK. Pranoti is also active in the Lions Club movement. Pranoti contributes to various charitable and community causes enthusiastically. She was introduced to Forex trading 10 months back and got hooked. Now, what she has learned, she wants to take to everyone else. So she's coaching, mentoring, and trading in the Forex world. Pranoti, with that, like everyone else, I'm keen to listen to you. Welcome and over to you.
Thank you so much, Ani. Thank you very much for those kind words. And I'm really part of, very proud of being a part of OMPEG chartered members. It is amazingly done, amazingly well for last so many years. Doing still more, and we are in Midlands chapter as well. We are leading, both of us, and in fact, other Midlands group is as well here. Santosh Deshpande is as well. So do get in touch with us for OMPEG. Anybody is interested in this amazing platform to have your, your business to promote to others. So let me take you through my, as Ani has already introduced me quite nicely and kindly. I would, without further ado, I'll take you through trading, share the trading knowledge I have, and I hope it is useful to you. So let me just share it. Just give me a second till I request. I hope you can see my screen properly. It's an introduction to Forex, HFX, and DCX market, an insight into trading world in association with OMPEG Midlands. Thank you very much again for all of you joining here, and I hope I can shed some light on trading market, trading world. So just to give you a basic idea, what is the trading is all about, why we should get involved into trading, because I hope you all know how the cash flow works. Cash flow works with people, 60% of people who are working for someone, 35% are working for self, like a business, like myself. I have my own business, which I've been doing it as well. And 4% are business owners, 1% are mindset investors. So basically what you see is the 5% of the people are literally controlling 95% of the cash flow, and 95% are literally have only 5% of it. So why not we go from this quadrant to that quadrant? This is the idea of the trading, that you want to become an investor, you want to become business owners are mega businesses like Coca-Cola and stuff like that. But we don't want, if we can go into this 1% and try and get that some part of that pie as well, and you can make a substantial amount in trading as well. So that's the whole reason I just wanted to show you this cash flow, why we should look into the trading. So what if there is another way, which is what if things could be different and you can have something to look forward to, look into the trading? Why not learn the trading properly and earn in trading? Forex cryptos, you can trade in Forex cryptos, commodities, metals, and such things that you can trade literally daily and make a certain amount. You can keep your jobs and your businesses running and have this as a part-time income, which can be quite good to have it slowly and steadily. There's one good thing about it is in UK, if you have a trading as a part-time income, it's completely tax-free. So why not do it? It's a tax-free income. You can have it on the side as well. So that's the reason why trading is quite profitable. So Forex, just to give you, go through you the Forex. Forex is short term for foreign exchange, FR or FRX is called, for a short term for a foreign exchange. So just to give you an idea, when anyone travels to another country, any country, we all have come from India to UK, we have traveled and we have exchanged the money. So we already taken part in foreign exchange market. They can participate in foreign exchange market manually, but by simply exchanging our own country, native country currency for one another, any other country that you're visiting. So it's like, just to give you an idea, let's say you have pounds with you, GBP against US dollars. You want to convert your pounds into US dollars. You have 500 pounds. You have, the exchange rate is right now $1.40. in US dollars. So you have got $700 for 500 pounds, right? Now you go abroad, you come back without spending a single penny, and you have now the exchange rate is $1.30. So what happens here is your $700 will become 538 pounds, which is a profit of 38 pounds. That's exactly what the foreign exchange is all about. You make these profits by exchanging the currencies. So you make, when the currency goes up and down, you can make profits. But we cannot go abroad all the time and do this. Why? Now decades have passed and internet has grown worldwide. The Forex is online now, where anyone from any place on earth could trade currencies digitally, turning over profits from comforts of their own home. So you can do this from anywhere in the whole world. But say if you are doing in UK, it's a tax-free. That's the best thing about the Forex exchange. I mean, any trading in UK. A market you can exchange in without owning any physical money. So you don't have to have a physical money. You can do everything digitally. So just to give you an idea about what is the base currency and code currency, the first currency, GBP, becomes the base currency, and the US dollar is against it, so it becomes a quote currency. So that's the base currency. You're quoting against it. So you're quoting a US dollar against it. Always the value of the first currency, everything happens in pairs. So in trading market, in Forex exchange market, everything is done in pairs. So GBP US dollar, this is one pair that we have just taken in. So there are 180 currency pairs in the world. So you cannot go through all the pairs, but there are major currency pairs which are pegged to the US dollars, such as Euro, US dollars, USD, JPY, JPB, JPP, USD, and such examples are there in front of you on the screen. Then you have minor currency pairs without the US dollars. So if you do not have US dollar with that currency pair, it's called minor currency pairs, such as Euro crosses, like Euro, Aussie, like EUR, EAUD, EUR, CHF, like Swiss franc crosses, or Kiwi crosses, or pound crosses. These are minor currency pairs. And then you have exotic currency pairs, which are major currency with currency of developing economy, such as Hong Kong dollar, South African rand, Indian rupee, or Mexican peso. So those are called exotic currency pairs. These are the currency pairs that we trade into Forex exchange market. Okay. Now, London, just to give you an idea how big is this market, the Forex trading market is how big it is. Just to give you a stock exchange, you must have some people have do the trading into stocks, but say London Stock Exchange daily, they do 7 billion daily. Tokyo Stock Exchange does 18 billion daily. The New York Stock Exchange does 22 billion daily. But the Forex market on its own just does 5.3 trillion daily. It's literally 12 zeros in the trillion. It does that much daily. The market does. The Forex trading market is 5.3 trillion. So the market opens 24 hours, 5 days a week worldwide. It's trading daily for 5 days. So it opens on Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is a New York time. It opens on Sunday and it closes on Friday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, again, New York time on Friday. So it's 24 days, 24 hours, 5 days a week, which is the market. So you can trade on the market anytime of these days, day and night. Forex market has got 4 major sessions. Which are the 4 major sessions? A Sydney session, which starts with the Sydney session, then it opens, Tokyo session opens, then London session, and the New York session. That's how it opens up one after another. Sydney session, and the best times to trade in the market are when the sessions overlap. So say Tokyo session opens and closes and London session open. These are the best times to trade. These are the London times, 7 o'clock in the morning. That's the best time, 7 to 8 is the best time to trade in the market because that's overlaps. There's a lot of movement happening, a lot of pairs and in the market. So you can do the trading that time. Also, when it overlaps London onto New York, that's another good time to do it as well. So it's a 12 o'clock to it's 12 o'clock in the afternoon to 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So that's a good time to trade in the market. But as a new trader, you don't want to really trade into those times because there's a lot of movement happening. Maybe you may have a losses incur if you don't know, if you're not careful about it. So, but once you become a little bit more experienced, you can trade on these overlap sessions. So that's the best time. Now the HFX is a high frequency binary option in Forex. So HFX is another way of it's literally making money in minutes. So that's the HFX, high frequency Forex market. So based on a high speed trade execution, orders are executed and opened in minutes. So you literally make money in minutes. You have to have 1 minute. Just to give you an idea, I'm giving an example here. So say if this is just a pocket option, it's a demo account, you can open up and you can start doing it as well. So if you have US dollar, euro against US dollar, these are the, you are going to get the returns, 79%, 878%. This is if the market is going to go down or market is going to go up. So if the price is going down, then you put sell, and then it goes buy and put. It's called put in the language. Now you change the minutes. Say if I'm taking 1 minute, then say 1 minute, then I'm investing about $20 into the market. I've taken Australian dollar JPY. The returns are on that, it's 78%. And if I'm analyze the market properly, I have done the algorithms, I've checked the list, okay, and I think the market is going to go up right now. So if you think at this price, about this price, the market is going to go up, I have put into the trade at that minute. Say if that price 84.680, I have put the trade in for $20. That this is the high frequency, remember. So if the price stays above this price, if it stays above for the next 1 minute, I can make 78% returns back. So if I have put the trade in now, just to show you, this is a sample that I'm showing you. I have put the trade right now. So if I would wait for a minute now, within a minute, I'll come to know if I won the trade or not. So this is, if it stays above this line, you will come to know. There are many pairs that you can work, you can trade on, and there are sort of minimum is 60% returns that you get. So if the time, so right now, so up to 1 minute is going to get over. So if it gets over at this 1 minute, and see if the trade is closed and if price stayed above that price, which I put the trade in, I have made, result is I got $16.50 back. So basically I made 35 on my $20. I made 35 altogether. So 78%. So that's a high frequency Forex exchange market. It's extremely beneficial. You can take the trades in minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, hour. It's literally up to you how you can manage the trade. But you know how much you're going to lose, and you know how much you're going to make money. So that's quite a good way to put the trade and to understand how the high frequency works. So that's a HFX. HFX is a binary option in a Forex. Now, let's go to the DCX. DCX is the digital currencies, cryptos. I think I just saw a question popping up there that can you not trade on the digital currencies? Yes, you can trade on the digital currencies as well. This is a DCX market, which is, there's another market. This is another market growing towards 1 trillion, literally, setting the future stage for how everyone will handle money. And it's open 24/7. So this can be, so basically many people, what they do is they trade on the weekdays, they trade on the Forex market, and the weekend they trade on the cryptocurrency. So that's another way of you can making money as well. You can make money on the crypto. It's becoming global forms of payment right now. So for everyday purchases everywhere, I think Tesla was thing, but I've just dropped it. So the market was crashed that day as well. So basically, nowadays we are paying by digital currencies. A lot of Bitcoin, we pay by that. Instead of investing into a digital currency, It's a form of currency that exists only in digital or electronic form and that can operate independently of a central bank. I would suggest if you, instead of buying a coin and, instead, why not trade on it? I think that's the best way to make multiple your money as well. So that's you can trade in this without owing a physical amount of money. You can trade dollars to crypto, for example, US dollar to Bitcoin, or Litecoin to US dollars, or trade crypto to crypto as well. Example, Bitcoin to Ethereum, or Ethereum to Litecoin, so on and so forth. There are a lot of many other coins they are mining as well right now, which you can take into the trading. You can trade on those coins as well. But you need to understand with the cryptocurrency, this trading is a highly volatile one. So the sudden fluctuations and drastic falls and rise of crypto prices pressurizes traders to engage into panic buying and selling. This is what you don't want to do. So unless and until you have a good experience into trading world or trading platforms, how are you doing trading? I would not touch cryptocurrency till then, because that's it's quite a highly volatile one. Its fluctuation literally crashes in minutes. You won't understand. So you need to really know in depth. You have to have in-depth knowledge in cryptocurrency. So for new traders, that's the important part, that please do not go into the cryptocurrency market trading yet. Start with the Forex, and then you go move towards the crypto. So that's how can you catch the moves in the market? By using software algorithms. That's what is important. It's a logical sequence of precise steps that can solve and give you the problem thing. In HFX, we cannot put stop loss. Sorry, Ravindra, I've been sort of listening, looking at the questions in between as well, but let me answer all the questions in the end. So catch the moves in the market, how you can do that. Basically, market moves in two directions, right? It goes up and down. So you can buy low and you can sell high. So you can put it in get into the market at this stage, at that price, and then when market goes up, the price goes up, you can sell it here and you can make profit. Similarly, you can sell high. When market goes down, you can make profit as well. So it goes up and down. So market, as I said, market moves up and down. Sell high, buy low. So you can make both ways. Unlike stocks, you can make both ways profits. Of course, it can go loss, it can go other way as well. That's where the risk management comes into the place, which I'll take you through as well. So sell high and buy low. Patterns and strategies help you forecast the market direction. Which way the market is going to go? Is it going to go upwards? Is it a bullish market? Is it a bearish market? It will give you those indications by those softwares, algorithms that we use, which you can have a one-to-one session with me and we can explain you that as well. So the patterns and strategies will forecast the market direction. Cash the moves and multiply your money. Basically, you need to recognize the M pattern, the W pattern, that will give you the direction of the market, which way the market is going to go. And then you can put the price in there and make money and multiply it. This is again another example just to give you that if I have, this is a real actual chart, just this yesterday I had sort of had a look at it. It is euro against the Australian dollar. I took a trade on this one, and that's how I was working on this one. So this is called the support and resistance. When you can see it's an uptrend, the market is going to go up. It's moving towards up, but you can make money on the go. Like if you can make money on the way it's going up and down. So if I put a horizontal line here, this is the support line. I enter into the market at that price, 1.56062. The market moves up. I stop here. I can put the stop loss here, and I can make money at that level. So you can then again the market goes down, those few pips you can get into it, up and down, you can make money on the way. But if you see, if the trend is completely upward, so if the market is going to go up, so basically it depends upon what style of trading you have, scalping or swinging or swing trade or scalping or intraday. So you can, it depends on that one, you will decide how many pips you want to catch or how much profit you want to make, really. So it's all depends on that, that you will be making money. So it depends upon that, what time and what price, what stop loss, and you're made. So that's the best way to really catch the moves. Now the market is here. If you see if the market is going downwards, it's going to go down. It's a downtrend. This is what the softwares will give you an example. This is what will give you how you can enter into the market. So that's it. Risk management is extremely important. That I think risk management is the first thing that you should learn how to do it once you start trading. It's very, very important. Why risk management is important? Because you will not survive without it. Absolutely will not survive it. If you don't have the risk management in place, you don't have your trading plan in place, you will not survive it. You will not survive in trading market at all. So know when to hold and when to stop. You need to understand that, okay, the market is moving. I have to put the stop loss. I have to stop the trade here. You need to know this. So that's where the learning comes in the process. Drawdown and losing streaks are inevitable. It's going to happen. Sometimes suddenly the news comes into the market and market crashes. So if you have a stop loss of 3%, 4% loss, you will have that, and then you can manage your risk properly. Just to give you a simple example, I just have put together just to give you how it works. What does it mean to manage a risk? Just say we have three people: John, which is John is here, Anil, and say Sheila. Now, if I given £1,000, £1,000, each person has invested £1,000 into the market. Say if we have an account of £1,000 each, right? Now, what we do is say if John has invested on one trade completely all £1,000. He thinks that, okay, this is it. This is what is going to happen. I'm going to invest my £1,000. I'm going to multiply it, my amount. And then say if you lose that trade, you have lost everything. So you have lost zero. You got £0 left with you. But say Anil is a little bit smarter and he said only 10% of my amount, £1,000, I'm going to put it on one trade, just the 10%. He lost that trade and he lost £100. But Sheila, being a lady, is much more smarter. She invested only 1% of her £1,000 on one trade. What happens is she's just lost £10. But if you may win next 4-5 trades, so that way you're in a positive, which is what we need to manage. That's how you manage risk. You just invest only 3 to 4%, 3 to 5% daily. You do not go over that. That's what compound effect comes into the effect. How does it compound effect works? So basically, so if initially you have put $200 as an investment and daily you are growing 3%. 3% is the only loss or profit you want to make. It's if you do a 3% of profit, I close my laptop, 3 to 5%, or sometimes now slowly and steadily, you can go for 10%, 20%. Slowly you grow your account. So if you say 3% daily growth for next 180 days, and if you do that and reinvest daily 100%, so whatever you have earned, you reinvest into the market. If you do that for next 180 days and include, you do not include weekends, if you don't do crypto and things like that. So just on Forex as well, you can make a substantial amount. It might sound okay. In the beginning, it's just a £6, 18, and so on forth. But by the time you reach to 180 days, and if you do it consistently and properly managed your plan, you can make £40,000 by end of 6 months. But of course, I would just definitely tell you that first couple of months, maybe you want to give it for proper learning before opening a live account. So you can do this on demo and take a practice, and you can make substantial amount of money end of 180 days as well. So that's a compound effect. Do it daily growth of 3 to 5%. That's it. That's an important part of the trading journey of yours. So is trading for you or not? You may have some questions that you want to start trading but don't know where to start. You want to get in-depth knowledge of the trading in Forex, crypto indices, or commodities. You want to learn how to place trade and read charts, and you're not sure whether you want to do long-term or short-term trading. If you don't know which trading method is right for you, these are the many questions that people have. But we do have one-to-one sessions. We do it. So what we do is you can get in touch with me privately. I can have one-to-one session with you, and we can explain you how you can learn and earn in trading. So that's about it. I hope this basic session was quite useful for you guys, and to make up your mind whether you would like to go ahead and have a look at it, what it is, how we can do this, and whether you can do it or not. So that's it. That's about it from my side. Just to I'll stop my share, and we can take any questions you may have. Thank you so much. I have my good friend, and he's an expert trading partner of mine, who is Mohan Madimutty. He's here as well. Mohan, if you can unmute yourself as well. So if you have any questions, we will have right now. Santosh,
yeah.
Thank you.
So,
Santosh, we
can't hear you. If you tell me whom to unmute, I'll do that.
Yeah, I think there is somebody called DP.
DP.
Yeah, DP.
Okay. Just DP, right? I'm unmuting DP. I'm unmuting them. You can talk now.
Hello. Hi,
Yeah.
DP.
We don't know the name, just DP. Santosh, okay. I'm trying to unmute them, but they're not responding. So if you have somebody else, please.
The next one is Samson Gnanadas.
Okay. Samson, please ask your question.
Hey, I just want to know, like, which are the best platforms to trade in? For
I want Mohan. Mohan, are you there, Mohan? Okay.
Yeah, Mohan is here. I'm unmuting Mohan Raj. Mohan Raj, right? Yeah.
Yeah, Mohan Raj.
Mohan, I'm trying to unmute you. Please respond.
Yeah, are you able to hear me?
Yes, we can. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Hi, I just want to introduce Mohan. Mohan is my trading partner. Actually, he's a guru of mine as well. He's into the trading for some long time now, and so I thought I'll get some experts more on opinions as well. So yeah, Mohan, over to you for this question. Thank you.
Yeah, just what is the question? I'm just checking.
What platform to use in trading? What platforms?
Well, it's basically one of the tough questions. They basically say, look, I am Austria and ourselves, we won't recommend any specific broker because we are just an educational platform. Okay, it's completely up to you which platform you use. But we will always love to share which one, whatever we use. Okay, we will share with you. It's completely up to you. Okay, so what is exactly which platform for? It's a Forex. Okay, guys, how to choose the brokers? Okay. There are lots and lots of brokers platform available. It's all about either how much is fulfilling our requirement. So what we look for the broker who gives the more leverage. Okay, the UK regulation and the Europe regulation, the US regulation. Okay, they won't give anything more than 1:20. That means if you invest a pound, you'll get 20 times. That means 20 pounds of buying power. Okay, what we look for. Brokers where with more leverage, this is 1:500. Okay, so we have brokers. Is everything legal brokers? Okay, don't worry, everything legal and regulated brokers. Only use regulated brokers who provide 1:500. That means you have 1 pound, you have 500 pounds of buying power. So all our brokers basically is a 1:500 leverage for the Forex. There is separate brokers for the binary trading. So if you want to take a trade for the HFX, high frequency trading, so you cannot use your existing MT4 platform to take trade in the binary. So you should have a binary broker account. Come to the binary broker. There are lots and lots of brokers available, binary broker as well. Come back to the DCX, the digital currencies. Again, we won't use the broker for the Forex and HFX. This is completely new set of brokers. Okay, so there's no single answer to use for all the platform one broker. It's exactly based on your requirements. So how much risk you want to take and what is your comfort zone. So based on that, you can choose the brokers.
Okay.
Thank you, DP.
Okay, there's a question, Pranoti, from Samsung Galaxy, but I'll ask the question. What
Yeah.
would be the charge for any one-to-one chat, Pranoti?
There won't be any charge for one-to-one chat. So you can just come and talk to us one-to-one, no problem. There won't be any charges for that.
Okay.
Free to
It's
come.
completely free. Even you can
Free for
even
free
you can
for
come and
free
watch
for
live
OMPEG
session. Okay.
events.
Okay.
Thank
The
you.
next one is from
Even you can send the live trading, Pranoti. They can come and watch for live sessions as well.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
one or two sessions, no problem.
Okay. There's a question from Suruchi. You mentioned how is trading income tax free? Is there no capital gain?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's a
One-
good question. Yeah, basically, in the UK, if the shares income, okay, if anything by the shares, that is the taxable income. That's what they have by the capital tax. Okay, if any income from the forex indices or the commodity, okay, these factors is basically tax free only in the UK. Under world, UK or Australia, US, all of the country have to pay except UK. There is HMRC exception is been done few years ago. Until now, still that exception in place. What does means? You don't need to pay the tax for the like the forest income. Okay, but yes, you have to declare all your income to HMRC. Either you're doing it or not. As part of the opening the broker account, you'll be providing the ID verification, address proof, ID proof. Okay, so all the information will be shared automatically to the HMRC. Everything legal, we will inform everything to HMRC. It's basically officially it's a tax free.
Okay. There is a question from Parth Joshi. I'm starting out in trading equity for now, and was wondering if you recommend any books or resources to learn technical analysis.
That's the path. Thank you for that question. I think that's the reason what we are saying. Come and talk to us one-to-one. We will be able to give you more in-depth knowledge on that one, what you can do it, how you can do it, which technical analysis we use, what software algorithms we use. So you can come and talk to us on that one. Anytime one-to-one, you can just contact me on the phone number, and we can discuss that in depth.
Okay. There was a question from Ravi Gadgil. In HFX, can we put stop loss?
We cannot put stop loss in HFX. HFX is the high frequency binary option. As I mentioned, there is no stop loss. You cannot stop the trade. Once you decided 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, trade is actually Mohan he takes HFX sessions, live sessions. He is a HFX guru, really.
Yeah, I'm running the live HFX session every Tuesday and Thursday. So I'm the coach for the UK and the Europe as well as the US as well. There are more than 15 countries people coming. HFX is nothing but basically is options. Okay, so option is basically contracts. You are buying a contract. It can be anything from minute and hours on weeks and months. Okay, you're predicting the market is going to go up or go down. So once into the market, so then you cannot put in a stop loss. It's completely different thing. Forex is a typical standard platform. The options is completely different.
Okay.
The terminology is everything different. Yeah. Don't worry, come and see one-to-one chat. I think we will go through the more details how it works.
Okay, there is a question from Jnan Kulkarni.
Mhm.
Hi Pranoti, what you and your partner are offering through this? Is it training, and that too free? So that's the question.
Training is, of course, we are offering training, but it's not free. But one-to-one session with us is free. So you can come and have a session with us. Let's have a chat, and then you can decide whether this is for you or not.
Okay.
Thank you, Dan.
Suruchi has got a Suruchi. Ani, would you like to unmute her because she has got, I think, a couple of questions.
I'll unmute. Suruchi, right? Yeah. Hang on, just bear with me. Suruchi.
Him or her, I don't know.
Yeah, Suruchi. Yeah. Suruchi, I'm asking you to unmute. You have some questions specific, so you can ask now.
Yeah,
speak.
hi. Yes, thank you. Thank you. I just wanted to check, is the, I mean, you mentioned the tax-free Forex trading income, but is the crypto trading also tax-free at the moment?
Yeah, I'll let Mohan talk
Yeah,
about that.
the platform which you use basically everything tax free. It's the indices, forex, commodity, which is gold and silver, and the crypto.
Okay, okay.
Anything other than the stocks.
Anything other than stocks?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Okay. Thank you. I just wanted to clarify because there's just so much on crypto at the moment that I'm just
Yeah.
slowly do it. So I just wanted to be sure if it's for me or not. So yeah, thank you.
I would recommend just come and see like 1 or 2 free live training. Even in fact, this evening, 6 o'clock, I think 1 hour time, we have another introduction to the cryptocurrency session. So if
Okay.
you're free, just get in touch with Pranoti. It's weekly once. This one is a special training at 6 o'clock. So
Okay.
if you contact Pranoti, she'll be able to share the details.
Yeah.
So that's
Okay.
basically what is cryptocurrencies, how to choose the broker, and how to buy, sell in cryptocurrencies. All about a special training at 6 o'clock. It's free.
Okay.
It's free. You can come and attend it. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Is that?
Yeah, some of them, I mean, they all liked your session, Pranoti. Some of them would be getting in touch with you one-to-one.
Okay, thank you so much.
Ravi has got a question. Is this pointing to spread betting? I mean, any profits on spread bets are tax-free.
Mohan?
Yeah, it's basically if you have everything, yes, we do have the spread betting as well. Okay, so we can do the spread betting in the forex, again, indices, everything. Yeah. So see, we are the trading platform where you can come and learn about the entire trading world. Okay, everything available. You can choose what suits for you. Simple as it is.
Yeah, so from the chat box, I think that's all I've got at the moment, unless anybody wants to.
Santosh, sorry, can I ask one last question to Pranoti?
Yes,
Sure.
Suruchi.
Sorry to interrupt. I just wanted to ask Pranoti, how did you get into this? Because I'm a very conservative, risk-averse person. And when you gave your example of starting with 200 pounds, that is probably how I would as well. So I just want to know how do you overcome that fear of
I think as I said, I actually the person who brought me into it is in front of you as well. He's there. He's the one who literally pulled me into it, and he said, "Have a look at it. If it's not for you, you can get out of it." It's just simply it's like this, Ruchi, is that it's your own money. Even what you do with your own money is you have to have the decision, right?
Yeah, actually, Suchi, don't worry. What we'll do, we'll provide you a demo platform. Okay.
Yes.
So you don't be involved the real money to start with. You're going to learn the platform. You're going to do all your strategies in the demo platform. Make sure you're making money. You're building your account. You're proving everything in the demo account. Okay. Once you're fully comfortable, then only you're moving to this small amount, 100 pounds. HFX, you can start anything from even $100. Okay, $100. That's what the investment need for HFX. Okay, even for the forex is $200. That's it. That's it. Very simple. Even you lose it after a month, 2 months, you explore the world. Like so $200.
Yeah, I think I'll just shed a little light on this, Suruchi, for you to just sort of, because I'm totally completely from a totally different. I never even done the stocks really. I never done that. So I was completely new to this trading world, and I come from a creative background, as Ani and all of us are in a different creative world into the advertising and things like that. And when I came, I said, I don't know whether I can do this or not. But what I did is I learned the system properly. 2 to 3 months, I gave it learning process. You got to learn, and till then you demo account. You have the demo account. You can practice on it as many times you can, and then you take the journey to the next level. Basically, now I'm trading on my own. I'm trading my own. I just wouldn't believe this 10 months back I could have done this. So, I myself, I'm quite surprised about myself.
That's encouraging. Good job.
Yeah, I think Suruchi, this is not only just for the trading. Basically, this is a trading university where you will be learning about more about the trading psychology, trading the mindset, trading plans, and trading journals. It's basically 90% is the mindset. Okay, just 10% trading skills.
Okay.
You can be master in the trading skill if you don't have the correct mindset. You'll be losing side. Okay.
Yeah.
Correct.
It's a completely well organized way. You'll be given a step-by-step trading plan. Plus, whatever you do, you are going to write everything in the trading journal. You're going to be monitor yourself. Okay, simple as you're going to you're going to track your own progress. That's it.
Okay.
Once you know what we are making mistakes, then it can be easily corrected.
Okay. Okay. Now, good to know. Thank you. Thank you for that, both.
Yep.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Do we have any questions, Santosh?
Yeah, there is one from Harpreet. Do you have the links for joining the live trading session? I think that's one-to-one sessions with yourself.
I think that just get in touch with me, and then I can send the link to you. You have my telephone number. I think maybe I'll put it again on the.
Yeah, I'll put it on chat.
Annie has just put it in. So text me, and I'll send the links to you guys on that.
Okay, and Mohan Raj, which is the platform you're talking about where we can try simulation?
For that as well, I think a link will be sent to you.
Yeah.
If you can get in touch with me, it's much better that way.
Yeah, okay. I think, yeah, I've asked most of I think all of the questions on the chat.
Okay. So,
yes, I think what I would recommend, guys, please come and see. Okay, it's completely free. Okay, come and see 1 or 2 live sessions.
Yeah.
What is cryptocurrency? Come and see 1 live sessions. What is the Forex? Come and see 1. And what is the high frequency HFX? Until otherwise, come and see something. Okay, you're not going to understand anything. Come and see, and then go and try yourself, and then make a decision: is something for you or not? Okay.
Yeah.
So that's what you can see.
True. Let me just thank you guys as well. Thank you, Mohan, for coming on the call. First of all, really helpful. And Ani and Santosh, thank you very much. It's been a pleasure doing this session. Thank you so much. And thank you, OMPEG. Thank you.
Thank you. Santosh, can you just spotlight me while if you don't mind? Thank you. You can also spotlight yourself. Let all be there.
No,
I'll spotlight.
Yeah, if you can. Yeah. So I can. Thank you. So don't go away. Yeah, there's Santosh also. So you can see all of us. I'm part of OMPEG's founding member team. Santosh, Pranoti are also part of OMPEG, from day one. And they're also part of OMPEG's Midlands chapter. And if you are from Midlands and if you want to know about OMPEG, join OMPEG, please get in touch with them. Before you go away, I must thank Pranoti, fantastic masterclass. In brief, you quickly touched upon what one can do and how much money one can make. I can see while you're sitting and presenting this masterclass, your seat went up little up. I was noticing. Is that because of the pile of cash you're sitting on, making the money in Forex? But hey,
well, I'll try next time a little higher.
Thank you so much, and I'll contact you as well, and I start with whatever best I can. It's been on my mind, as on many, and then we can all say the famous Del Boy line. This time next year, I'll be millionaire. So thank you, Pranoti. Thank you, Mohan, for sharing your insights. Before you go away, very important information for everyone. This event was brought to you by OMPEG's Midlands Chapter, which is part of OMPEG, Overseas Maharashtrian Professionals and Entrepreneurs Group. The important word in all of this is Maharashtra, our mother state. We are all connected to it. That's what binds us together. All of you know what is happening due to COVID in India and particularly Maharashtra. In the UK, all UK Maharashtrian mandals, various groups, various associations, various platforms have come together to make a Maha-COVID appeal. All we request you is please donate whatever you can for the state of Maharashtra. As I'm talking, Santosh has kindly shared the link. There are 24 people attending. Every little helps. 10 pounds, 50 pounds, 100 pounds. And if you already made money with your Forex trading, you can put more. Any help you do is welcome. Please click on the link and donate to Maha-COVID Appeal. Thank you. This has been a member event from OMPEG's member, Pranoti Jadhav. Wonderful session. As I said before, all OMPEG members are independent professionals and businesses. OMPEG does not get involved into any business and commercial relationships. If you wish to, please contact them independently and they would be happy to help you. That's all done from my side. Santosh, do you want to add anything? Santosh, Pranoti, before we wrap up?
No, I think there is, it's really somber, bad situation in Maharashtra. So I think every little helps.
Yeah.
And I'm sure many of us are, struggling with it. Lots of our friends, families back in India are suffering. So it matters that you donate any penny that you have, really.
Absolutely.
It's given us a
Absolutely.
lot. India and Maharashtra and our country is what makes us. So.
Truly.
I echo that completely. Absolutely, that every little helps. We all can. We already have donated. We will doing it more and more again many times. It just needs to be taken to that extra level that we all can, put in something for our mother country. Basically, it's our birth country that we can help. Why not? And I know, as Santosh said as well, that we have lost our loved ones. Quite a few people. We have lost about 12 to 13 people we knew. So it is a somber thing that
it is.
It's a time all of us to come together and do something for our country. Thank you so much for that as well.
Thank you. Thank you, Pranoti. Thank you, Santosh. Thank you, Mohan. Thank you for everyone to join today. And please donate and help Maharashtra as much as you can. Thank you. With that, time to say bye-bye. Good evening. Have a good weekend. And we hope to see you again on the next OMPEG event. Keep